Welcome to my channel.
Lord Krishna teaches again and again. 1. Your mind is your best friend and your greatest enemy. Geeta, chapter 6, verse 5. Krishna says, lift yourself by your own mind. Do not let your mind pull you down. The mind can be your ally or your destroyer. In the story, Rahul's life felt stuck not because the world was against him, but because his own thoughts were. He was like the dry plant, not receiving the sunlight of positive thinking. The moment he changed his mindset, his life began to grow. This is exactly what Krishna teaches. Change your inner world, and your outer world will follow. Dadaji pointed toward two plants. One stood tall, green, and alive. The other was dry and almost dying. Beta, life is the same for all. Some rise, some fall. The real difference is the mindset. Rahul was a young man who lived with one constant belief. Nothing good ever happens to me. Every morning he woke up repeating the same thought. Every night he went to bed feeling defeated. Slowly, silently, his life began to feel like a closed room with no windows. One Sunday, his grandfather came to visit him. Seeing Rahul's tired eyes, he gently asked, Beta, what is troubling you? Rahul sighed. Dadaji, I try, but my life never changes. The old man smiled softly. Come with me. I want to show you something. They walked to the small garden behind the house. The sun was rising, lighting up the leaves with gold. But Rahul didn't notice. His mind was too busy complaining. Dadaji pointed toward two plants. One stood tall, green, and alive. The other was dry and almost dying. Rahul, do you know why this happened? Rahul shook his head. Dadaji touched the dry plant. This plant stopped receiving. It believed it couldn't grow. And so, it died from inside. Then he touched the tall plant. But this one opened itself to life. It believed, I can grow. And so it did. Rahul looked confused. How is this related to me? Dadaji smiled. Beta, life is the same for all. Some rise, some fall. The real difference is the mindset. Your thoughts are the water that nourish your life. Change your thoughts, and you will change your world. The words hit Rahul deeply. For the first time, he realized something important. It wasn't his life that was stuck. It was his mind. From that day forward, Rahul made small changes. I am unlucky became firm, confident tone. I will create my own luck. I can't do this became I will learn. Nothing changes became let me take one step today. Slowly, his energy changed. His smile returned. His confidence grew. New opportunities began opening. Doors he never noticed before. Months later, Rahul had a better job, a peaceful mind, and a hopeful heart. And he finally understood his grandfather's wisdom. When you change your mindset, you don't just change your thoughts. You transform your entire life. The same garden where he once saw a dying plant now felt like a place full of possibilities.